Sugar Factory, the sweetest place on earth, has opened its newest location at Bahamar Resort. It is said to be the perfect place for tourists and residents to satisfy their sweet tooth in paradise.
So this location is very special to the company. It's probably the most beautiful location of all. And we're very well known for our full service dining. We have a full confectionery shop, a retail shop, and an amazing carousel bar located right in front of Bahamar's fountain shows. So our candy store has a variety of over 500 different candies, Sugar Factory branded novelty items, and anything that you can think of for celebrations from a bride-to-be to a birthday girl. So Sugar Factory is an ideal place for tourists and locals because it's just a beautiful location. The atmosphere is always great, the music is vibing, and every time a celebrity is around, they absolutely have to stop by to indulge in some of our drinks and desserts. For example, a couple of weeks ago, we had iced tea and cocoa visit. So that's very usual for Sugar Factories all over the world.
The restaurant is known around the world for creating Instagrammable moments out of fun foods and drinks.
I think that what makes the sample platter a very popular appetizer is that it gives a variety of offerings from what we have. We have our very popular macaroni and cheese pops. They're a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves our buffalo wings, and then our amazing onion rings and chicken tenders. Our goblets are very special to Sugar Factory. We have a lot of celebrity branded goblets that are inspired by certain celebrities. For example, this one is our watermelon pina colada, and it's made with Salveray rum, Bruno Mars rum. And we have goblets inspired by Pitbull, The Rock, Snoop Dogg now. So this is a very wonderful concept of the Sugar Factory, how we incorporate celebrities in our drinks.
To dine at the sweetest place on earth, visit bahamar.com/culinary. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.